Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we will remove background from this picture by using pen tool. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, I will create a duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl J. Here you can see I have a duplicate layer. I will work on my duplicate layer. I will hide this background layer. And here we will select pen tool and we will see its properties. It must be path, so we will work on the path. So here I will create selection on this image. So guys, once you're done with path, you have to create selection by pressing Ctrl Enter. Once you press Ctrl Enter, it will select your subject, and then you will press Ctrl X and then create a new layer and press it over here by pressing Ctrl V. As you can see guys, your background has been removed by using pen tool. So this is how to remove background by using pen tool. So there are too many ways to remove background, but in this video we used pen tool for remove background. Hope you like it. Thank you so much. Good luck.